But what if climate change ruins hop production? Stroud Brewery is on the case, helping to find hops which can tolerate the new world we now live in. Steve Nibbs reports.
Break up the cones and warm up the oils.
It's a centuries-old technique, testing the quality of hops with a rub and a sniff.
Bit of melon in there, Will? What do you reckon?
Absolutely. Melon, peach, passion fruit.
But now there are some new hops on the block.
These have only got plot numbers. They don't even have names yet.
And there's one, the catchily named CF302.
This is the big one, yeah.
That's showing disease tolerance and flavours that could compete with foreign growers too.
All sorts of tropical notes, guava, peach. There's no point in shipping hops halfway across the world when we can produce great hops that will give you the flavours you want from this country. So hopefully we can support those 45 growers, we can get the acreage expanding again, and we can turn this into something really, really positive for UK industry.
But how do they taste? Well, Stroud Brewery, which is organic, brewed beers with the experimental hops, and again, the 302 is showing promise.
Soft, tropical fruitiness.
Only 11 acres of hop fields in the entire country grow organically at the moment, and wetter and more humid weather has affected production. Greg says something had to change.
Climate change is actually making growing hops very difficult. There's unpredictable weather, it's getting warmer, and crucially it's getting damper. And hops suffer from fungal diseases, so it's becoming very challenging to grow hops.
No pesticides, herbicides, nitrogen. There are lots of challenges to overcome, but these hops are promising and could be a win-win for the entire industry.
The main emphasis of the project was selecting varieties that can tolerate disease. They can survive, they can live through it, and the farmers can get a commercial crop at the end. And as long as they get a viable crop, we would certainly use it in our brewery, all of those hops.
The early results of the trial are encouraging, and work is ongoing to ensure disease-resistant British organic hops are in plentiful supply for our pints in the future. Steve Nibbs, BBC Points West, Stroud.